I know in a lot of my videos I'll put like computer generated in front. That's because this all is computer generated. What up, guys? I wasn't even gonna film a video today, but I was bored and it's a really nice day, so I said fuck it, let's film a video. So damn, you can't go that way? Oh, 4 to 6. Alright, because I was gonna fucking do it anyway. But yeah, it's such a nice day out, and I got some good news. I actually will be having no more issues with my fucking exhaust and its fitment and whatnot. Basically what I did is I ordered an active AutoWorks single mid pipe, and I in fact ordered, mother's calling me, hold up. Alright, my bad. I really don't know where I was, but I just feel like being so completely transparent right now, because it's funny and I don't really give a fuck what anyone thinks. Yo, I did the brokest possible thing, buying this mid pipe and axle back. I affirmed that shit. Both of them, bro. I affirmed it because I'm a broke idiot kid that made a dumb purchase on a vehicle. Yeah, I'm super excited to get this shit in. The reason I affirmed it was, like, I really don't have the money to just buy all that shit right now, and affirm, if you can do payment plans. Yo, that makes you sound so broke, but I don't give a fuck. You could do payment plans, and there's no prepayment, like, penalty type shit. So I said, you know what, fuck it. Like, I don't want to be, like, having an extra payment every month, so I'm going to pay it off early, but since I didn't really have... I'm not in the position to just shell out that money, because it's, what was it, $1,500 for the mid pipe, and then around $2,000 for the axle back. Keeping in mind, mid pipe normal price, I think I probably paid $1,450. $1,500 is normal. But as for the fucking axle back, that's why I did this. I found it for $2,000. It's usually $2,500 for the dine-in. So, like, that's, you know, it's not bad. I'm not one to... I like to spend money on the things I like to spend money on. So, I don't spend much money, but when it comes to shit that I like, I will spend money. But I do like to try to save some money and go the cheap route. That's why I went fucking Alibaba. But that didn't fucking... Look at those things. But that didn't really go as planned, so I said, fuck it, I should have, it's just a lesson learned. Yeah, look at that, dude. Look at these fucking big-ass dogs. But, yeah, bro, I affirm that shit. And if anybody wants to say anything about it, I won't even fight you about it. I don't give a fuck. You can suck my nuts. You know, you gotta be financially fucking smart when you make stupid decisions. So, you know, dollar cost average. For me to do that and just pay it off later, pay a little bit of interest on the first initial payments, and then have it basically interest free for the rest, you know, be smart, not fucking trying to flex and shit. Oh, I just spent $5,000 on wheels. Motherfucker, I just affirmed $5,000 of wheels. Who gives a shit? But, yeah, dude, I had a long-ass night last night. I was out for... I got home at, like, 3, 4. Didn't go to sleep until, like, 5. Dude, I hate going out, bro. Let's be real. I never go out. And, I went out for probably the first time. I went out to fucking Hoboken, out of all places, for the first time in, like, months. And, bro... Like, you just see, like, granted, if you're going to, like, a nice mature, which out there, that doesn't fucking exist. Holy shit, a fucking M550, but I guess it was, what, Dravit Gray, they call it? That was nice. But, yeah, bro, granted, in places like that, if you go to a good place, you can network with people, but let's be real, when you're going out there, everybody's fucking, like, immature, and you're not gonna hear anybody over the fucking bullshit music anyway, so... I don't know. I'm 24, but I like to live like a 70-year-old, frankly. Holy shit. Yeah, bro, it's such a nice day. That's why I figured I gotta make this video. Sick. I gotta make this video, dog. But I'm really excited for this this exhaust system. That's nice. That we're getting. Like, realistically, it's very expensive, but on the flip side is whenever I go to sell this car, I'm sure I'm not gonna have it forever. If I put it back to stock, you know, there's still some resale value on parts. So if I can make half of my money back, you know, it only took me half of the cost to actually use the parts. So that's not that bad. As you can see, nice windy roads. I have this fresh alignment, and let me tell you, the alignment is aligning. Feels fucking amazing. Like it's on rails. Lowered a little bit in the back. I made a video, but the video is boring and it kind of sucks. Will I upload it? Yeah, probably. I'll try to make it as entertaining as possible, and by that I mean putting like 50% effort into it, just because I figured, fuck it, it's not a good video anyway. But I'll upload it just for the content, so you guys could see the fact that the car is now slightly lower in the back, so it sits a little bit more evened rather than raked how it was. And dude, it's driving like crazy. The X3M is probably the best SUV you could get, and that's an insane statement when you think of Trackhawks, you think of X5Ms, think of, well, X3M and X4M, let's consider them equal, but you think of all the cool SUVs out there. I think from a driver's perspective, this is the best fucking SUV you could get, especially when you put it on coilovers. And I'm sure this isn't tuned yet, but I'm sure when you tune it, it does not get better than these fucking vehicles. I'm telling you, it's nimble. It's nimble. It's fucking nimble. It rips, and it's honestly comfortable for what it is. Stock suspension, definitely a little stiff. But like I said, if you throw it on coilovers, lower it, it's gonna look good. It's gonna drive way better. You're just gonna feel planted. And for an SUV that is actually relatively affordable, like insane, this is the best SUV. Now, if you're not into SUVs, I guess you could kick rocks. I just didn't want to get a car again, so I was looking for trucks and SUVs. But I also want to express my gratitude with the last video that I uploaded is at like 500 views. And what makes me really happy, it's at close to 20 likes. Like, I know the ratio sucks, and the fucking, like the average view duration also fucking sucks. It would be nice if people watched for longer. But, you know, I'm just glad you guys are tuning in and enjoying what I am putting out. So, beggars can't be choosers. I just have to make this shit better, more entertaining. Simple as that. It would be nice if people watched all the way through the videos so they could hear like things that I say and suggestions I'm making, and like to suggest things I should do. But hey, I'm still grateful, you know. But yeah, dude, I'm really looking forward to this exhaust system. There's another YouTuber, I think his name is Straight 6 Chris, I think. He has an X3M as well. Look how beautiful that is. But I really wanted to do a different type of, like, something unique. He has the exhaust setup that I'm currently purchasing, and I like don't want it to seem like I'm copying people, even though it doesn't really seem like, you know, it doesn't fucking matter. But, you know, when it came down to it, that was the best bang for the buck, because of I was gonna do the full active auto work exhaust from the start, I wanted to do the dining, but I was like, you know what, it would be cool. I've heard the full active auto work system and it sounds really good, but the deal that I got on the dining, you know, helped me stick to the original plan, so I can't really complain. Yeah, $2,000 for the dining. That's crazy. Both the active auto work and the dining were the same, like $2,500 a piece. Dude, that guy was up my ass that whole time, bro. I hate motherfuckers that do that. Granted, I probably do that to people, but still, shit's annoying as fuck. But yeah, dude, $2,000 for that exhaust. Fuck it. If I could get $1,200 on resale, I'll be happy. Maybe even get more, honestly. And I got it with the polished tips, pause. But that'll be cool. That's, if you've noticed, there's a lot of chrome on this car. So I'm into that look. I actually didn't want a comp for that specific reason. So I literally found the perfect spec. God bless. God bless. Dude, living around here is beautiful. I don't live around here, but I know the area. I can't imagine once I do that trans tune also, it's gonna be, this thing's about to be a fucking unit. Just a nice overall daily. Oh, and it's also nice, so I may have mentioned this before, I don't even remember, but so this Alibaba exhaust did not fit properly, so we said fuck it, let's just cut it and re-weld it. When we cut it, my boy who was doing it didn't have the right gas to re-weld it, so long story short, we put a band clamp around it and it's loose, so it's rattling, and my dumbass didn't really check to hear where the rattle was. I think subconsciously I just wanted an excuse to buy the muffler. So I told myself, oh, like, the exhaust valves are blown out. No, motherfucker, they're perfect. It's the fucking band clamp that I just need to tighten. So, bought the muffler. Good excuse to buy the muffler. Just had a coughing fit. Anyway, I ordered it today, went outside, and I was like, let me just check again. Like, is this thing always rattling? Turned it on, walked around a little bit. I'm like, oh man, yeah, no, that is not coming from the muffler itself. Is what it is. Haven't seen any cops also, so that's kind of surprising. And I know in a lot of my videos, I'll put like computer generated in front. That's because this all is computer generated. I'm just speaking into a fucking microphone in my house, and from there I just make the computer generation from it. So, you know, I know it all looks pretty good. I'm very good at what I do, and God bless. But touching back on the exhaust, definitely go check out that YouTuber that I mentioned, Straight 6 Chris. Once again, I could be fucking it up. I think it's Chris with a K, K-R-I-S. And check out how it sounds. He has a reel on it, and it sounds fucking good. I'm not big into the equal lengths. I'm not big into the dual mid pipes. So I wasn't gonna do either one of those. But that helped me at least make the decision, because make the decision. I don't know what I just said. That helped me make the decision because apologies. I also had to change the position of my headgear because I had to take my headgear off. So it might look a little different now, but should still be good. Frankly, I don't know what the fuck I was talking about, but you know, there won't be too much longer on this video. I just figured I'd record some and yap a little bit. Yeah, dude, that truck was nice stance, nice truck, but you know, the stickers. I'm not gonna say anything because my boy literally has that exact sticker. It's funny, but you know, I'm not too big into too many stickers. Maybe a logo of sorts, cough cough, my own logo, and a couple Instagram stickers of sorts, just to put it on there. That's kind of my limit. But yeah, this dealership always has pretty gay cars outside. Kidding. Shout out to my gays once again. So, ooh, I said that in another video also, and I just want everybody to know that I am not homophobic. I myself am a homosexual. I just love pussy. So it's kind of a strange dichotomy, huh? But yeah, bro, I'm just yapping at this point. It was such a nice day. I know it's not too much ripping around, but when I'm talking, I can't really do too much ripping around because I'm a fucking idiot. But I wanted to at least inform you guys that I do have a nice exhaust setup coming in, and I am excited for it. So look out for that video. Keep tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe, all that fucking shit. And God bless, my friends. Straight up. I may be quite the sinner, but in the end, that's the only thing that matters. God and family, which in the end, they may be one of the same things. So, God bless. Have a good day.